Hey guys, this is a video response to PopsQuest. He put up a video a couple days ago asking what is your favorite caliber in the AR platform. Well, sitting here I have 4 different calibers in the AR platform. First one here on the left is the most common 223-556. The red guy here is a 7.62 by 39. The third one here, the gray and black rifle, is a wild card round, which is the 277 Wolverine. And bringing up the end here is the 6.8 SPC. Now you may notice that these rifles look a little funny. That's because I'm in California. And that's all I have to say about that. So, as far as my favorite caliber in the AR-15 platform, I'm going to have to go with the 6.8, just like Rob did at PopsQuest. Now, all of these other calibers are fun. You know, they're a pleasure to shoot. But that 6.8, it's just a tack driver. Now, I by no means am a precision shooter whatsoever. I'm more of a center mass, kind of a defensive type shooter. But this rifle here, at 100 yards, I can do a 2-inch group, and that's actually very, very good for my shooting, for what I do. Like I said, I'm not a precision shooter. I'm not one of those kind of guys that will sit there and try and put every round through the same hole. You know, like I said, as long as it's center mass, I'm happy. But that has got to be my favorite round. I know this thing will do much better than I am capable of doing. So far I've only shot it out to 100 feet, or excuse me, 100 yards. And I know it's capable of going much farther than that. I just need to get it to the outdoor range that's farther than 100 feet and, you know, stretch its legs. So anyway, there you go. If you guys have not seen the PopsQuest video on this subject, I will link it down below. Go check it out and possibly make your own video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.